morning, I'm Chamdal and my channel name is AmmyTech Mechanic. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to unbox the EKSA E1000 Stereo Gaming Headset. So let's start. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification icon so that you will never miss my videos. So let's start. So guys, the unboxing experience is like this. First, you get here EKSA branding. Here, this is the model number. So the model that I ordered is E1000. So this is the branding and this is the model number. Here you get here USB gaming headset. So this is USB gaming headset, and this has stereo sound. So the devices that support is PlayStation 4, PC, or iMac. So this is the front box design. So this is the design. So the color that I ordered is this one. So the color that I ordered is gray. So here you get here the 24 months extended warranty. So this is their website. Make sure to visit their website. So the box quality is good considering the price range, and the box design is matte and some glossy here. So this is the front look of the box. When we talk in the side, so this is the side. So this is written EKSA, and this is their slogan: no burden, just joy. So this is their slogan and their branding. So when we talk about another side, so here you also get EKSA with their slogan: no burden, just joy. And this is the highlighting features of their product. Stereo sound, high definition microphone. So this has high definition microphone and comfortable premium memory foam ear muff. So the ear muff are comfortable. So this is the device that support PlayStation 4, PC, and Mac. So here is the side look. When we talk about the rear, this is the rear side. So in the rear, it's written a lot. First, you get here the model number, E1000 Stereo Gaming Headset. So this is stereo gaming headset, and this is the picture of the headphone, and this is the wire. So it is written here. So this is written: optimized for pro gaming. EKSA E1000 Stereo Sound Headset is a high-quality communicating device that delivers superior sound, unique style, and super comfort. So this is their promotion, and it uses an adjustable soft-padded leatherette headband and protein memory from foam ear muffs for more comfortable wearing. So this has rotatable adjustable microphone and soft padded leatherette headband. So here, so the package list is one EKSA E1000 headset. So this one user guide, one carry pouch, which is this one. So this is their any problem. If you have any problem, you can contact them, info@eksa.net. So this is their website and their email and their number. So this is the wire. So this is made in China. So the product parameters. So interface type USB plug, driver diameter 50mm, sensitivity. So this is the sensitivity. Speaker impedance. So this is the speaker impedance means that how much current does the speaker take. So this is the current that the speaker take. Frequency range. So this is the frequency range. Sensitivity for the microphone. So this is the sensitivity for the microphone. And the size. Microphone impedance. How much current does it take, the mic. So the supply voltage, 5 volts. Current consumption, maximum 200 milliamp. So this is their model. So in the top side, it's nothing except for the QR code. Nothing. And in the bottom side, it's nothing also. So now, let's open it. Here you get EKSA branding. So now let's open it. Pretty good box. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment on my videos. So now let's open it. First, we get here this with the manual. So this is the leather bag. Let's keep this side first. The second one is this user manual or user guide here. So there is nothing in the box. So the box packaging was good. It's simple only, simple packaging. So now let's close this and keep the box aside. Guys, first you get here the quick guide, EKSA vacuum quick guide. So this comes in vacuum bag. So you can see here. So this is the bag. I mean the facts. So you can see here, this is good. If you are first time using the headset, so this is for you. So this is for the how to fix, like common questions if you are going to use this first time. And this is the main. So this is user manual guide. Here they tell everything about the headset. And now let's keep this aside. And now the final one is the headset. So first, let's open the bag. Guys, let's remove this from the bag. So let's keep this aside. So guys, the bag looks like this. The bag quality is good considering the price range. So you can see here. So the bag is like this. First, you get here EKSA branding. So the quality of the bag is good considering the pricing. And the inside is fabric inside. So you can see here the texture. And here, the cloth is leather with some stitching. I would say this is premium considering the price range in the segment they gave. Let's keep the bag aside. And the next one is headset. This is the headset. So guys, now let's talk about the headset. So the product details is, first of all, this is sweat proof. So this is not foldable. You cannot fold it. So this does not have deep base. So this does not have deep base. So this is not water resistant also. So the system that support is PC, iMac, and PlayStation 4. So this is the look of the headset. So guys, when we talk about the look and feel, so the look is plastic. So you can see here, this has adjustable headbands. So this is for the same both sides. So in the upside, the headband is leather. So this is leather headband. And this has texture in the top. And this has comfortable ear muff. This is replaceable. So this is left side and this is right side. So this is plastic again. And this one is, this looks like metal, but actually it's metal, kind of metal. And this is the light, RGB light. Here you will get the RGB light if you plug it in. Here you get EKSA branding. Here also, so this has microphone. So you can see here. This is rotatable until here. This is 120 degree rotatable. So I like this considering the price range. So you can see here. So the wire quality, first let us talk about the wire. So the wire quality is good. This is braided wire. So guys, this looks like this. So here, when we talk about the mic, so this has noise cancellation mic. I'm going to show you the microphone later. So the driver is 50mm driver. So when we talk about the wire, let's open the wire. So guys, the wire is 2 meters long. So this is braided wire. You can see here, braided. So the wire is made of cloth. You can see here. So this is USB to connect here. So the controls are, you get here first EKSA branding. This is for the volume. You can adjust your volume here. And for the microphone, if you want to mute your microphone, you can do it here. If you don't want to mute, you can do it here. So this is good for online classes if you want to buy this. So the wire is also good and sturdy. So guys, let me show you the light. Guys, this is the light. Here you get the RGB light. So the light is good. So this will glow in the night. Let me show you. So it's glowing in the night. It's also in the left side. It's good. So guys, the wire braiding quality is nylon. So this is nylon braided wire. So in the bottom side you get nothing. This is left side look, and here this is the right side look and the top look. So there is also second one. So please set up USB audio device input output when using. So this is warning. And also here, please check microphone mute off when using. This is good for online class. So now let me show you the microphone quality. Now let's try to show you the microphone quality in this headset. I'm going to use Google Meet microphone tester. Let me show the microphone quality in this headphone. Hello everyone, so you can hear the microphone in this headset. This is the microphone quality in this headset. So guys, the fitting for the headset is look like this. So here you get here RGB light. So this is the side, and this is the front look. The earmuffs are comfortable. So this is foam, and the top headband is also made of foam. Now let's talk about the speaker in this headphone. So guys, I'm going to show you the speaker in this headphone. This is playing, guys. This is playing. So the volume in the laptop is full, and in the headphone is slow, in the medium. So this is in the full. Now let's go to the price and conclusion. So guys, in my conclusion, this is the best headset in this price range because you get here noise cancellation microphones. This is good for online classes because this has noise cancellation microphone and comfortable earmuff. So you can see here. So if you want to wear like for 2 to 3 hours, it's comfortable. This is good for gamers because this has 7.1 audio driver. So this has 50mm audio driver. So guys, the things that I like about this headphone are first, the design. You get here RGB metallic design. The second one is the audio quality, and the third one is the microphone quality. So this is good for online class and for gaming. So the price is 679 pesos currently on Lazada. So I will going to write the link in the comment section or in the description. So make sure to check the description. So guys, this is the review and the unboxing experience of this headphone. I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is me, Ammy Chamdal from AmmyTech Mechanic. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye and God bless you.